Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make glistening glitter trees. You can see here, it's so easy. This is literally like a no-brainer, but I still wanted to share. So you're going to need a pack of trees from the dollar store. I got these from Dollar Tree for $1.25. I wish I could show you close up. You're gonna need some Mod Podge and some glitter. I got the glitter from Walmart. Mod Podge came from Dollar Tree. So it's really, really easy. Cause these, if you can see, they do come with a little bit of snow on them, but I'm just a glitter girl. I love glitter. So all you do, it's very easy. Just take some Mod Podge and just lightly, like, you want to do this lightly because if you put too much, it's just going to take forever to dry and it's going to splatter everywhere. Okay. All right. Now, I made this little makeshift thing. I'm just going to stick this in there and then, take your glitter pack and just carefully, oops, mine is stuck. And then just carefully dust where you put the Mod Podge at. Just dust it with glitter. And there you go. It's that simple, that easy. I think you can buy them already glittery, but I feel like why would you if you don't have to? Like, I just literally made these in like 2 seconds. You can't see the glitter that good. I don't know why. Kind of sucks, but and then you just want to, you know, obviously let them dry and everything. So just keep it out, but I just figured I would do this cute little DIY. Another thing that I found too that was really good is this thin, see how it's like a thin brush, thin paintbrush? This seems to work a lot better than the thicker ones because I tried to use a thicker one, but it's not as good. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this cute little glittery tree DIY. If you have any questions or make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.